Good morning, Facebook friends, relatives, and family. Today I'm at 1031 Kennedy Avenue in Manteca open house. So I'm going to be here from 11 to 3 p.m. So this house is a 4-bedroom house and it's 3 baths and it's 0.98 acre land. So close to 1 acre land. So you have a chance, just come by and chit chat with me, and also how to acquire this property. And I also have the lender in my office that can look into pre-qualify for your home in terms of getting this property. So yes, just come by. I'm gonna be here from 11 to 3. So this is 1031 Kennedy Street, very close to Costco, and it's in Manteca. So you get off 120 and then Airport Way, and then Daniel, and then make a left on Fishbone, and the entry of the house is on the Fishbone area. So once again, 1031 Kennedy Street, and I'm gonna be here from 11 to 3. Thank you. See you a little bit.